Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Ledger Nano S. First, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Next, connect your Ledger Nano S and unlock it using your personal PIN code. It's crucial to perform a genuine check within Ledger Live to ensure your device is authentic and has not been tampered with. Finally, install the Bitcoin application on your Ledger Nano S directly through the Ledger Live interface. This prepares your device for secure Bitcoin transactions. Now that your Ledger Nano S is ready, open Ledger Live and find the Buy/Sell tab on the left side. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin or BTC. Then, choose the specific Bitcoin account on your Ledger device where you want your newly purchased Bitcoin to be sent. Finally, input the amount of your local currency you intend to spend, and Ledger Live will provide an estimate of the Bitcoin you will receive. Ledger Live partners with several trusted providers, and it will show you options based on your location and chosen payment method. Take a moment to compare the quotes from these providers to find the best exchange rate and lowest fees for your purchase. Most providers will require you to complete a Know Your Customer or KIC verification process. After that, simply select your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit or debit card or a bank transfer. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details displayed in Ledger Live, including the Bitcoin amount and the receiving address. This is a critical step. Then, verify these exact details on the secure screen of your Ledger Nano S device. To complete the purchase, you must physically confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano S by pressing both buttons. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be securely sent directly to your Ledger hardware wallet, ensuring maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.